64 subscribers, and welcome back to my channel. I've got Jess back joining us today. If you saw Jess's first video, you know that her first Stitch Fix was quite the failure. But she's joined us again to give Stitch Fix a second chance to meet her request for business casual workwear. So you emailed customer service to tell them that you're very disappointed with your first Stitch Fix box, and you got a response.
I did get an email from them that said, we have now heard you again, and we put it on your front page, all your requirements, and hopefully we'll go for nicer fabrics, better colors, less patterns. Yeah.
I wonder what I have on my front page.
I know what I've got on my front page.
I'm going to start saying that when I'm going to be like, put this on my front page.
That's what they said in the email.
It's good to know. So you didn't ask for anything new. We're still going for...
I still went for work clothes, meaning I asked for work shirts and work pants.
Here it is.
Yeah, I'm loving those colors. Let's see
Yeah,
it.
me too. Oh my gosh, cute flare sleeves. I actually like when a 3/4 sleeve has a flare. Love it.
It's got item 2.
Also kind of a unique 3/4 sleeve, but maybe on my short arms it'll work fine. I love this fabric. It feels good. It feels thin. Elastic band at the bottom. We'll see, but that's...
Ooh, this one's interesting.
I just can't picture this at all. Stripes and blocks and block colors and strange textures. Don't know. Gray pants. I feel I told him I hate gray.
Starting up top, we have the 41 Hawthorne Tamsin bell sleeve pullover. The color on that is dark purple.
And I like it. It's really nice material.
Yeah.
I love this weird flare sleeve with these lines on it that are textured. It just seems to work for my work sense in my mind. Because I'm always typing up and using Excel a lot and doing these weird programs. And I'm like, oh, fashion.
Per her stylist suggestion, Jess has paired this top with the cut from the cloth Catherine straight leg pant in gray.
The fabric is really nice. They have a zipper and a fastener, which is important after those big pull-ons.
Know what you're going for.
How do you feel about the fact that they're pull-on?
Yeah, never. Well, they're not elastic band. They're not a khaki pant elastic band.
The khaki pant elastic.
Yeah, elastic band. Khaki band. But they're very big and baggy. They are nice pants. They're just not for me. If they were my size, I'd consider them.
Welcome back. Jess is modeling the third item from the box. This is the Mason & Bell Suzanne Surplus top.
Shazam.
Burnt orange.
I have a hard time believing this is set for a work shirt. There's no way I could spend 9 hours at my work talking to people about files and stuff with this top. If I even move my arms.
Yeah, no.
It's got one tiny snap, and it's almost not even sewed on.
Well, are you supposed to wear something underneath it?
I didn't write I wanted layers. I'm not a layerer. I'm not like Laura Dern. I'm not like that.
Okay.
And if I even ever greeted people at my reception desk in this, it would be a huge scandal at my work. Yeah, they'd be like, uh-oh, 1 month was good. Boom, we saw the real her, we're done.
Cancel those business cards we ordered for.
Yeah, exactly. No more health insurance.
You are now looking at the Market & Spruce Quintana color block sweater. What's interesting to me about this is you got a top, what do you call this?
Pointel is what they called it before.
The pointelling.
Yeah,
And you
I got
hated
a whole nother pointelling. As
You
we
can
know,
see
so
like your bra straps and
Yeah.
stuff through the top, which is also a weird choice for office wear.
I don't do anything like that.
And the color blocking stops right at your breast line, and so it actually accentuates
Yeah.
them, and you asked for work clothing. And so
We are looking at the Magnolia Grace Ponte cowl neck knit top in black.
The material isn't exactly bad or anything, but it's almost like it's sweatshirt sewn with these weird shoulder things. And
This reminds me of
Yeah.
a onesie.
yeah, exactly. A baby onesie.
Yeah.
It's never going to like soften. It's always just going to be this weird thing. This neckline that they got for me, which was their drapey, she thought it was drapey. It works. It's kind of drapey, but at the same time, it's not a drapey fabric. So that's what's strange. It's almost a sweatshirt fabric, which cheapens it in a weird way.
On our last box, Jess had 0 items. We're hoping for at least 1 keeper this time.
This purple sweater, I retried it on, and I actually really like it. Yes, I will take this sweater. I will untag the purple sweater. Woo!
All right. Next up, the highly revealing Mason & Bell burnt orange top.
There's no way I could wear it at work or in life. It's just too weird. Even if I was a nudist, I'd still wear something different.
Moving along to the color blocked sweater. This is a $58 sweater.
Oh yeah, no. That was so unfortunately sad.
4th item, Magnolia and Grace Colnet top in black.
I love black shirts, but that one just did not hit the mark.
Finally, the cut from the cloth work pants.
They just didn't fit right. They're just too big in the leg, and they're also gray, which sad.
How much do you think those are?
I always think everything's under 50, but I have no clue.
They are $88. They're expensive pants.
Yeah.
So how do you rate this box in relation to your first box?
Definitely got the fabrics and the colors better. Way better choices.
You've had 2 boxes so far.
Yeah.
Pretty much sent everything back. You're only keeping this because it's almost free.
Yeah.
So why do you think it's not working for you?
I can't stand anyone else picking out my clothes. Since I was young, no one has bought me clothes. That's just not a thing. I don't like paying top dollar for anything. There's no way I'd spend a penny on something I can't handle.
Well, thank you for trying and
Thank you
coming
for
on the
having
channel.
me.
If you like this video and you want to see more, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.
Thank you. I love you guys. We love
And
you.
we will see everyone in the next video. Well, after seeing yourself on your first video, you said that your face turned beet red for hours after you watched the video.
It did, yeah. I had, again...
What was the thing you were most embarrassed
I guess
about?
I've never seen myself, you know, my horrible posture, my neck, the way I talk, my teeth. Everything was just really glaring when you watch yourself on video.
I feel that way about my teeth. So
Like-
I always try to like...
This angle's bad.
It is, like, I'm always turning towards you and then my teeth are like...
My teeth are really fogged out too, so I'm gonna be all...
Everyone tuck your teeth in.
Yeah. So happy when I saw this because I was like, this is gonna be my shirt. And I mean, if it was normal, wouldn't it be kind of cute if I showed up in it?
Yeah.
If it was normal, like
Yeah.
closed from here to here?
Well, you can sew it shut.
Oh, right, yeah. Nicole has to help me now sew my clothes.